Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Snapchat active status. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired application or desired account, and then head over to Bitmoji by tapping on the top left corner. And here, all you need to do is just to tap on the gear icon on the top right. And here now you have to search for privacy controls. And in privacy control, as you can see, there is an option of activity indicator just under the see me in find friend section. So head over to this activity indicator, and it is saying that when enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. So just turn it off, and your activity status on Snapchat is now turned off. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your Snapchat active status. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.